The Bulls versus the Bears. Get in the game. www.tackletrading.com.
Hello everybody, this is Coach D with tackletrading.com. Here to give you a quick market update and recap after the closing bell. Really pretty sideways day. I mean, we see the red candlestick here, but if you really sit and look at it up close, what you'll see is it did open higher, came down lower, and then retraced about halfway. So overall, price action's down, but we're seeing that shadow down there, which could be a sign of strength. If we are looking at that, we can change time frames and kind of look at where it came down to, get a good idea for it. Could be a signal of reversal. One of the things you want to do is make sure that you're looking at a smaller time frame. Here I'm on the daily time frame. So if I wanted to get a better look at the intraday time frame, I might want to drop down to say 30 minutes or so. And if you look at the 30-minute time frame, here's where you might see, oh, okay, this could be our signal for potential short-term reversal. Now I'm saying short-term reversal. If you look at that little setup right there, that's kind of bearish retracement, like it ripped down, boom, rallied back up. And where it's sitting right now is kind of in that kiss goodbye scenario where you see the old support could become the new resistance. Now, of course, we want to see which way it follows through and react with confirmation. We would want to look for some bullish candidates and some bearish candidates. Of course, you can always trade the exchange traded funds that track the whole market. One of the more lovely setups that we have, it's been on our watch lists as of late, has been Southwest Airlines, so ticker symbol LUV. And if you get a look at that, what I'll tell you what I like about it is these two inside bullish candlesticks here. We originally looked at this as kind of a bullish setup where it's got the exact opposite. This has got the kiss hello type setup. And let me actually drop down in here, similar time frame. It's in that trend zone. And here's that potential, breakout, retracement, higher lows. So we're in a consolidation right in here, so we can see it go either way. But if we do get some upward confirmation, I'd put triggers in at 42.27 or higher, out above those little resistance points. Make sure you're triggering in. Maybe if you wanted to go really get triggered in a good confirmation price up here around 44.50. For the bearish side, I've had my eye on Microsoft. And let me drop back out to the daily time frame here. And Microsoft has gotten crushed on earnings, just boom, rallied up into a rising wedge, and we're just starting to see the confirmation down, and you're really seeing kind of a forming head and shoulders here on the smaller time frame. So that's when I've had my eye on for bearish play, looking for it to drop down, targets of old support. It's already starting to confirm down, but if you wanted to get a trigger to put in new trades, I'd go below the $43 support zone. And again, changing time frames will help you get down in there and look at it. And here's that, in that head and shoulders, you can really see it on that 30-minute time frame. Maybe if I drop it out to an hour time frame, you'll see it a little clearer. That support zone would be a very, very good trigger. And placing stop losses out above resistance, trailing them based off of those support resistance trend zones would be some pretty reasonable directional plays. This is Coach D, tackletrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the clubhouse, and watch for more exciting information and videos to come.
Get off the sidelines and take control of your financial future at www.tackletrading.com. Get in the game.